welcome back, folks. This is episode 3 of the Jay versus Juna Design Challenge. You guys had some really good name suggestions on the last video, so I guess we'll just get right into it, right? No. So for those of you who haven't seen this yet,
I've got to explain the rules, I guess, a little bit.
Yeah, we have a bunch of niches here. Ultimately, you know, just subject matter really that, you know, everything weirdcore, soccer, ice cream, Bigfoot, all this stuff. On this one, we have the aesthetic, right? So you've got vintage 70s, retro, boho goth. We had a few others. Last week's was nursing and anime. So that was a tough one for both of us. But
I think it would be easier anime because it's kind of close to kawaii, but it's not.
Oh, you know what? Western. That needs to go into the design style.
Oh, Western design style. That'd be fun.
And then I think I'll put, cowboys here or something?
Sure. Why not? What's that be the thing? It'll be cowboy Western style.
All right. So let's get to
spin
it
the
here.
wheel. Spin the wheel.
What do we got? This week's we are doing... it's almost skeletons again. I keep hoping for skeletons.
Yeah,
but
skeletons.
Summer.
Summer. Okay.
Summer is the theme.
Okay.
So that's... Maybe that should have been over on the...
Nah, we could do it. It could be
summer and then
ideas.
In the style of... Definitely going to be typography for me here. But
come on, styles.
Tattoo style summer.
Tattoo summer. Wow, okay. I don't do tattoo stuff, but luckily Kittle has a bunch of tattoo designs, so I'm going to rely a lot on Kittle.
Juna's got a timer. He's going to set for 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
And that is it.
Ready? Set?
Ready as I'll ever be.
Go! 20 minutes. I'm going straight to templates and looking for tattoo t-shirts and seeing if there's anything close I can use for summer. They got a lot of cool tattoo designs. Ooh, nice. Nice one. Nice one. Oh, wow.
Okay. I got to check this out.
A lot of skulls. Don't know how I will put that into summer. I can do summer skull. I don't know.
Get some inspiration here.
Yeah. Luckily, we got Kittle and we got AI and we got a bunch of... So, I'm using the smartboard again. It worked out last time. But the junk thing... The bad thing is it's kind of slow. So, see what it comes up for me. In the meantime, I'm going to check on styles like tattoo. Oh, we got some nautical things. Tattoos. Flowers. Oh, these flowers. Oh, nice.
Are you cheating over there?
Well, kind of. I mean, I'm still using Kittle, but it's the smartboard made this for me. Do you see it?
Wow, that's cool. Oh, use a smartboard from a template. That's awesome. Yeah.
Sorry, I'm taking over the board here. Sorry.
That's all right. I'm cheating.
You're cheating too?
I'm saving your image one as a tattoo generating style.
Nice.
Wanted to see what it would look like here. This is cool. This looks summery to me. It's also beachy a little bit. That's cool.
Did you get something? Did you get AI to make something for you?
I did.
We got 12 minutes. Not too bad. I think we're doing good.
Not too bad. Yeah, doing better. I'm in the mode from from previous.
Yeah, the more you do this, the time isn't as bad.
Yeah. Yeah, it doesn't feel as stressful.
Next time we'll do it in 5 minutes. No. Tattoo's fun, man. I don't know if the true tattoo artists probably look at our stuff. If any of you guys do the tattoo stuff, let me know in the comments. What do you think? Is this? Oh, don't we have? Is there crop?
Oh, it did that thing again when I tried to do something else. It killed my sparkboard generation.
No.
Yeah.
Oh man, I really wanted this.
Yeah, I'm trying. I want to do summer vibes. As I was thinking for the words, but I'm like, I feel like that's not tattooy enough.
Yeah. A lot of pick I like to just go pick up a tattoo template and then pick stuff from the template. Roses. Ooh. Oh. That.
Let's see how it goes. Now I can't touch it for the minute while it does that.
Yeah, that's the only thing, right? You don't want to... Oh, no, come on.
This is either going to be really good or really bad. Are you done already?
No, I'm playing around with some things that I may or may not want to put in. I'm refining.
Nice to have the time to do that at least. I thought I was doing great for time and all of a sudden I'm running out.
Oh no, I don't know if this is tattooy, but sometimes the option drag works for
copying.
Yeah, and sometimes it doesn't. Oh, I gotta center this. Okay, good. Gosh, is that better? I don't know if that's actually better. Whatever.
I actually have.
Ooh, this
I know what I'm gonna do if this AI smart port doesn't work out. I know what I'm gonna do anyway.
All right.
So I just matter of time. What do we have?
Oh yeah, good idea. 6 minutes.
Oh, it didn't generate anything.
Dang it. Well, now you know
Get
what
out.
you're gonna do.
Oh, yep. All right. Now I gotta rush.
Oh no.
How much time?
We got 4 minutes, a little over 4 minutes, almost 5 minutes, or less than 5 minutes, whatever. It's at 4:40. Why don't I check? This is a fun style. With Kittle. Yep. On my own, there's no way I could do a tattoo style, but with the help of
there
Kittle.
We go. I wanted calligraphy, but I couldn't find it.
Oh, yeah, there's so many fonts.
Yeah.
So many cool fonts.
This now, before I run out of time.
242. 242 left.
242.
Yeah.
Okay. I think I'm doing okay.
I think you are too. Another cool tattoo. Like so many good ones. I want a dagger, but I want it in color. Oh, no. I only got like a small. No, not cherries. Not a flower. Oh, maybe another. No. Fun. 1 minute.
1 minute. 1 minute.
You got this.
I think that's the one. I was trying to keep it.
Oh, that is nice. I like that one. Oh, we did it. Let's see. We got 21 seconds. For some reason, delete's not working for me.
Oh, no.
Well, I can move it off the page, which is fine. Yeah.
It was funny because I tried to delete something before, and it would only delete the entire artboard and not a piece on it.
Oh, that's crazy. There we go. Stop. That's it.
Nice.
All right. It's interesting because you can kind of see how we both operate. Like, look how much cleaner your side is than mine. Like,
totally different design styles, right?
Yeah.
It's pretty cool to see.
Yeah. Did you make yours with AI?
So what I did, I think I took this guy.
Yeah.
At one point, you made this summer beach surf guy a design, like its own image. Yeah. And before you got rid of it, I made a copy.
Yeah.
Pasted it here and then said, turn it into, I wanted a sets generator, use your vintage one as a style. Yeah. And in sets, I said, give me tattoo style swallows, tattoo style roses, tattoo style birds. Wow. And then I didn't like the other two, and but I like the birds one. So I took the birds one and then made it.
That's a cool.
I took your vintage art tattoo style that you created from this tiger guy.
Yeah.
So I kind of cheated, but
I kind of cheated too. I mean, I don't know. We used Kittle, so it's not cheating.
Yeah.
Kittle did it for us.
That's great. Man, it's so much fun to create this kind of stuff and just see how it goes, right?
Yeah. I wanted to use this font because this font's really cool. This one right here. Oh, I think I put it in back a year. Anyway,
this was where's fun. That?
Down here.
Oh, where you have Royal Ink there?
Yeah, it was on black.
Signmaster Pro, that's cool. Yeah.
It was originally on this one.
That's a cool font. I like that. I would have done that probably instead of this one, maybe. Oh, well, it turned out all right.
It turned out great. Yeah,
I was scrambling.
I like that you put color in your, like you use the actual things that Kittle has to make the colors inside the font, which I just went for white, but that's definitely like more tattoo.
Yeah, this was from a template, and I just changed the colors.
Nice. Yeah. Good job.
Yeah. I took it from one of the tattoo templates, Siren Tattoo Studio. What is it?
Yeah.
So I don't know if you can see this one now. I have to.
I see it. Because I see it.
Yeah, up here. I took that word tattoo and typed summer.
Yeah. See.
So it had it all. So it's nice to use the templates when they have it, right? So you don't have to worry about. I was originally going to do summer vibes, but I think Inked Girl Summer makes way more sense.
That makes sense. Yeah. I didn't know what to put. I saw a tiger and I knew it was summer, so I just put tigers.
That's awesome. I like it. I used it. I mean, hey, I used it for the AI set generator here, right? Vintage art. It kept. Nice.
Good job. Yay. Comment below.
Yeah, let us know below which one you like best, what parts of the process you like, and we're going to be looking for some of you to join us. Let us know down below if you're interested, because we have an idea. Actually, it's Juna's idea. I can't take any credit for it, but I just think it's awesome. But to do like a Master Chef style thing where Juna and I will be the judges, and we'll get 2 or 3 of you head to head on a Kittle artboard, and then we'll just be critiquing and chirping as we go, and
and then we'll see which one we like. But I think it's ultimately the whole audience voting, right? Like at the end. Yeah,
because it's just our opinions, right? Other people might prefer different ones. Absolutely. But the idea is we're going to give you like a mystery box of ingredients, right? Kind of like how the show would go. So maybe an aesthetic, a niche, and then maybe a specific
or we could spin the wheel too. That could be fun. But
or we could spin the wheel. Let us know too if there's any specifics, for a niche or subject matter that you want us to include next time too, and let us know if you're interested in being part of this Master Chef design option. Thanks for watching, folks. We'll see you in the next one.
Yeah, bye.